Welcome back to Phone Transformer, where I am going to show you exactly how to reformat your Android phone to protect your privacy before selling or trading it in. This process will permanently delete all your personal information and return the device to its original out-of-the-box state. So now let's get started. Step 1, tap Settings on your home screen or pull down the notification bar to find the gear icon. Step 2, scroll down through the list of options and then go to System to find the advanced management tools for your device. This section houses the core software instructions and maintenance settings that control how your phone operates. Accessing this menu is a necessary step to reach the specialized reset and recovery tools. Step 3, go to Backup and Reset and click Backup first and Backup to ensure all your photos, contacts, and messages are saved in the cloud. This step is vital because wiping your phone is permanent and having a backup allows you to easily move your data to a new device later. You should always wait for this process to finish completely before moving on to the next step. Step 4, once your data is safely backed up, go back to the previous menu and then click Reset Phone to prepare for the final wipe. This specific option acts as a gateway to the various reset levels, ranging from network settings to a full system purge. Clicking this ensures the phone is ready to begin the unlinking process from your personal accounts. Step 5, select the final option and click Erase All Data, and Factory Data Reset will be done after you confirm your password. This action triggers a complete wipe of the internal storage, removing every single file, app, and account currently on the hardware. After the phone reboots, it will be completely clean and ready for a new owner to set up from scratch. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips